This is Amulya Varshaja. Today I am going to show how to hold a pencil for best and better drawings. First I am going to tell about tripod grip. Hold the pencil with thumb and index finger, supporting with middle finger. I am starting with the basic shading. It is easy and comfortable. The correct way to hold tripod grip: applying equal pressure between thumb, index and middle finger. It gives best grip to the tip of the pencil. The advantage of tripod grip: you can write and draw very fast and easy. It is very useful for small detailing and brighter lines. Now pull your pencil forward. This is extended tripod grip. This is also very good grip for your drawings. In this method you can draw easily by moving your hands. You can pull your pencil forward to get more lighter shade for your drawings. You can simply shade larger areas of drawing by moving your wrist and shoulders. It also reduces smudging. You can shift darker to lighter shade by switching to tripod to extended tripod grip. Now relax your hand. Grasp the pencil with your fingers as I shown in this video. This is overhand grip. In this method, the tip of pencil is very important. Should be sharp well. You can draw easily by moving your hands. It gives smooth strokes, thick lines, thin lines. You can also control thickness with the tip of the pencil. Use your wrist for nice strokes, and you can bend your wrist for good strokes. By using your wrist, the movement is limited. Shoulder movement allows you long strokes. If you want, you can change the angle of pencil for vertical shading. The advantage of forehand grip: it allows good grip for the soft lines. Now flip the hand. This is underhand grip. Starting with the greater lines, it gives nice strokes. It has very good grip. This is comfortable for vertical holding drawings like this. Really very good grip for holding a pencil. Now I am switching to overhand grip. In overhand grip, you can draw simple curves as well as thin and thick lines. It gives very good grip for shading. If you are using any method, use your shoulder for good range of motion. By using your wrist, it takes many strokes to make a big line. It is best to use your shoulder for longer lines than the wrist. Now I am going to show how to hold a pencil for good grip. Hold the pencil like this and flip it. This is the very good grip for the pencil.